Beast of Two Worlds, Ajakaju, premiered last weekend in Lagos, Nigeria, Sunday 24th March to be exact. Directed by Adebayo Tijani and Odunlade Adekola, produced by Eniola Ajao alongside Ant Hill Studios, I have a feeling this will be a Nollywood blockbuster. Be sure to check it out in cinemas nationwide from March 31st. Welcome to this episode of Fashion Roasts. Hey y'all, Chantel here per usual, your fashion bestie and the curator of this channel. We'll make do with a voiceover today as I am somewhat indisposed. Please subscribe if you love it here, not forgetting to click on that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my insightful and interesting uploads. Thank you so much. Royalty has fast become the preferred theme for a lot of movie premieres in Nigeria. If I'm not mistaken, I have analyzed more than 4 events with royal or royalty as either the prefix or suffix of the theme. Royal Beast was the dress theme for this premiere. In my conventional way, let's understand the meaning of both words, merge them together, and get an idea of how guests were expected to show up. Royal simply means having the status of a king, a queen, or member of their family. Beast is defined as an animal, especially a large or dangerous 4-legged one, example, a lion. Making sense of this, I would say the expected vibe was look lavish, look extravagant with animal-like elements, aka costume, because we all know no human can be an animal look-alike unless a makeup or costume is involved. I don't know if the inspiration for this theme was Beauty and the Beast, because I'm seriously confused at the correlation between royal and beast. That being said, let's analyze their looks and either praise or roast them, using royal beast as the yardstick, of course. Kicking off the roast segment with cross-dresser Bobrisky, that also won Best Dressed Female at the movie premiere. I like to think that it was a publicity stunt, because if that wasn't the case, the judges or whoever conferred him with that title are jokers, simply put. I won't delve deeper because this is not the video for it. Moving on, he showed up in an all-black ensemble that features a black velvet stone floor-length corset dress with mesh inserts, complete with a matching cape, paired with black matte lippy, curly updo for hair. Still keeping things uniform are these black corsage fabric earrings. This black staff was the last accessory added to the look. I'm not mad at his outfit choice. Can definitely see some of the elements of the theme. However, it doesn't warrant a Best Dress award. I would rate Bobrisky a 6.5 out of 10 for this. Looking like a black Barbie is Iyabo Ojo, rocking the chartreuse and pear green crisscross back mermaid hem dress by BKS Lagos. Dress has some sequin going on, deep V, off-shoulder neckline with mesh inserts. Also, these almost futuristic, structured statement sleeves. Gold was the preferred hue for accessorizing. Gold neck collar, gold drop earrings, gold cuff on her right wrist with a matching ring. On the left, she has on loads of gold bracelets and rings. The voluminous hairdo is really the style of this look, if you ask me. I like the concept. Gold purse and chunky heel shoes for footwear. You can't miss the royal part of this look. However, the beast part is debatable. I would say the hair choice mimics a lion's mane, but like I mentioned, it is debatable. Fit looks superb on her though. She gets a 6.5 out of 10 from me for this. The third person on my list and one of the event hosts, Derele Edun, stunned in this color bust abada with black locks embroidery detailing. I can't even look past the extensive work that was put into this outfit. Lawin Luxury went the whole 9 yards. From the matching filler to the dramatic hair tie and then the boots. I'm totally here for this. Chunky coral beads and gold necklace on his neck, stud earrings, loads of rings and bangles in usual Derele style. Cheetah makeup look to infuse the Beast vibe by Darlington Glam. His look embodies the entire theme in the best way. He gets an 8.5 out of 10 from me. Tierney Olalere showed up to the Beast of Two Worlds premiere in this colorful ashoke above the knee-length dress by Dunkasi Official. Round neckline adorned with cowries. There's also this mesh detail around her midriff. Hand-stitched cowries around the bust, shoulders, as well as her stomach area. The outfit also has these 3-tiered structured things that do absolutely nothing to the look, in my opinion. Green fabric cuffs on both hands, and ikere and hand fan for accessorizing. Choice of hair is a bun with grey tone extension. Infusing the B side of the theme with this feline makeup by Shiji Makeover. To complete the look are these strappy leopard print sandals. A lot is going on with this look, but I also can see where they were going with it. Fit on her is great. In sync with the theme, she gets a 7.5 out of 10 from me. Cast member and also director of the movie, Odunlade Adekola, donned a royal blue velvet abada with gold embroidery by DMC of ABK 007. Accessories include a matching cap with tassel on the side, chunky coral and gold neck bead with matching bangles, sunglasses, a walking stick, and these thick sole embellished loafers with gold emblem. Royal heavily on display. That's the royal side of the theme. No sign of beast, if you ask me. He gets a 6.5 out of 10 from me for this. Dayo Amusa missed the memo with this. Her stylist, Soft Touch Couture, mistook the word beast for monster. They have totally different meanings. A beast is an animal with natural existence, while a monster is mostly fictional, unnatural, and frightening, which is what this look exudes. Black textured dress underneath this long line jacket, complete with a cape made out of feathers. Special effects for makeup features this shiroi looking powder with black eyes, red lippy, and this stitched doll detail around her mouth. Hair was pulled back and accessorized with horns. This is obviously a Maleficent-inspired costume, not in tune with the theme at all. She gets a 4 out of 10 for effort. Gabriel Afolayan waltzed into the Beast of Two Worlds premiere with the beast element of the theme slightly visible on his outfit. Short-sleeve silk shirts with animal motifs, aka beasts, paired with black wash skinny jeans and black lace-up sneakers. Accessories include a black frame eyeglass and black bangles. I know sometimes keeping up with these themes can be hard, but a little bit of effort goes a long way. I'll just give him 4 out of 10. I think that works. Can I point out that this is one of the best looks I've seen Toyin Abraham rock, hands down. She looked so phenomenal and elegant. I agree, not in sync with the theme, but we cannot agree that she looked good. Black satin asymmetric neckline boo-boo with some ruche details by Erica Moore brand, styled with a matching scarf, silver encrusted purse, pearl drop earrings, and her wedding band. Makeup of choice is a mix of subtle eyes and red matte lippy for that pop. I really wish it was in sync with the theme, with the royal part at least. Regardless, she looked so amazing, but my ratings are based on the theme, so she gets a 3 out of 10 from me for this. I hate to do that. Timbose Alao was Tiana's muse for the Beast of Two Worlds premiere. Again, missed the mark in my opinion. It's not a masquerade ball or monster theme they asked for. It's royal beast. Makeup by TK Signatures is giving beast though. Also by TK Signatures is the over-the-top bun hairstyle. Outfit consists of this black sleeveless mini length dress with a colorful beaded marks, complete with horns attached to it. Next is a flared out skirt made out of touching straws, cowrie earrings, beaded layered neck choker, and a ring for jewelry. Footwear are these nude pumps by Kurt Geiger. You can tell that a lot of effort was put into this look. She gets a 7 out of 10 from me. Producer of the movie, Eniola Ajao's first look is next. Outfit made and styled by CEO Lumini Official. She deserves a round of applause for how well she put this look together. It exudes all things royal based. From the jacquard fabric that is reminiscent of a wild cat skin, to the faux fur on the ball skirt and gold flower appliques that look like they are sprouting from the dress. It depicts royalty. The makeup, the faux fur headpiece, the sheer sleeves with lion scratch-looking illustrations look so good. Lastly, at the horns for good measure, she looked majestic in this. 9 out of 10 from me for this. And your last second look, on the other hand, tilted more towards monster costume as opposed to the royal beasts theme. Styled by Tiana's Empire, the outfit features this three-piece Marie Antoinette inspired style, a detachable black ball skirt with gold contrast, paired with a matching blouse with ruffled sleeves that emphasized her waistline. There's also a hand-painted antelope in front of the top and on the skirt. Underneath that is a mermaid hem floor-length skirt in similar print. Behind that is this massive Chinese fan-looking thingy, a gold helmet with antlers and horns. I see the royal part of it though. Stitched down makeup to complete the look. I'll rate her a 6.5 out of 10 for this. Actually a 7 out of 10. Yeah, because of the dress. Groovy is next up. He also won Best Dressed Male at the event. Deserving honor, let me know in the comment section. He showed up in this beige and off-white Ashoke Danshiki and Abeti Aja, aka dog-eared cap by Fulvrin Dwight, paired with an Ikere, aka horsewhip, coral beads, clear glasses, faux fur shawl, rings and black slippers. It's no doubt a grandeur look, but not totally in sync with the theme. I wish the faux fur shawl was in animal print. That would have nailed it for sure. Nevertheless, he still looked nice. He gets a 7.5 out of 10 from me for this. The 12th and last person in this episode of Fashion Roast is influencer Abike, aka Papaya X. Styled by McLean Scout, she came through in this gold halter, cut-out chainmail dress with a jacquard mermaid's tail skirt. She accessorized with this gold headpiece that is reminiscent of the Medusa head. Here we go again with the beast misunderstanding. Loads of gold bangles and claw rings for jewelry. Fit of the dress accentuated her figure, but definitely not in sync with the theme. She gets a 5.5 out of 10 from me for this. That concludes the roast section of the Beast of Two Worlds premiere fashion roast. Moving over to the best and worst dress categories. Best dressed male, definitely Derenle Edun for me. Immediately I saw him, I just knew it had to be him. It was going to be hard for anyone to top this. He looked so nice. Everything synced together so well. He's definitely my best dressed male on the Beast of Two Worlds movie premiere red carpets. Best dressed female has got to be the producer of the movie, Eniola Ajao's first look. Such a distinguished outfit, just as I would expect a royal beast to look like. Love, love, love it. Worst dressed male, just because he didn't put in as much effort, I will give it to Benga Afolayan. Too casual in my opinion. Yeah. Worst dressed female, Dayo and Musa, that outfit and the makeup were lacking the theme. It was just giving demonic, it was just giving monster, Ojuju. Yeah. If it was for the Ojuju ball, I'm sure it would have been better. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you agree with my best and my worst dress category, let me know. If not, let me know as well with reasons why. Thank you all so much for watching. Kindly subscribe if you are yet to. Until I come your way again on Friday, stay amazing. Mwah. Bye, y'all.